Nature's solitude. Nature's pull brings peace and solitude. Surrounded by the forests of the night and fragrant flowers of the day, I am forever free. The paths I walk to reach that secret bay, I will always love. To sunbathe nude amongst the rocks and identify with that life there, striving for peace and solitude beneath mysterious skies and a heaven that cares. Writing brings to me that joy that once escaped seems difficult to catch again. I live today, not for the past, but for tomorrow. This is where I started, and at the end I will be scattered here, out of view, for none to see except the few.